Hi, we live in a connected world and technology is embedded in everything we do. Today, I'm glad to update you on an ambitious new project that we had evaluated, a new delivery package service based on an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, commonly known as a drone. This may sound like some sci-fi movie scene set in the future, but it's not. The use of flying drones is not only happening now, its commercial growth is predicted to significantly increase over the next 10 years. Take a look on how we envision the first drone. Drones are usually deployed for military and special operation applications. However, drones have lately been employed in the civil sector. So, what's changed? Basically, the rise of smartphones means a lot of important components. Magnometers, gyros, batteries, cameras, accelerometers, radios, GPS modules, and processors got a whole lot smaller and cheaper. This led us to explore the use of drones in package delivery. Initially, the system will be deployed by our customers to deliver urgent goods, such as medication, to remote locations. Drone for delivery package service? Working together, we can get to this future surprisingly quickly. Thank you.